Premium Professional Beauty Makeup Set Kit of 4. Premium Makeup Set with 4 Professional B5-B8 Eyebrow Stencils. If you would like to see more high-quality VAGA products, click on the brand name under the title of this listing. This VAGA Professional Beauty Set offers the tools you need in order to enhance your glam and charm. RUIMIO Eyebrow Shaper 4 pk and Eyebrow Stencil 9 pk. This is my first time trying anything other than tweezers to trim mine or my daughter's eyebrows. They worked well. These razors come in a 4-pack of 2 sizes, small, measuring 5 inches from top to bottom, 1 yellow and 1 purple with the blade measuring about of an inch. And then large, measuring a little over 5 inches long with the blade being 1 inches, again 1 yellow and 1 purple. All 4 of the blades have ridges, they are not a straight sharp blade. I was able to press my thumb onto the blades, without being cut, it just left a mark for less than a minute and went away. I did not feel any pain with these, but did get a little pull feeling at times. My daughter said she didn't feel anything when I did it to her. Each one does have a nice plastic cover to protect the blade and keep it from harming anything else. These worked great in cutting the random hairs needed cut for the eyebrows both below and between the eyebrows for myself and my daughter. I was also able to easily cut her little mustache, he. I found them pretty easy to hold and work with for the most part. My eyebrows are naturally thin and think it is easier for me to just pluck them, but it worked great for my daughter, as she has darker, thicker brows. The brow stencils are well made, a rubber and not a stiff plastic, so they bend easily and won't crack and therefore should last longer. Even though this is a pack of 10, I could not find one that would help contour my brows because the stencils were too wide for them. We did however find one that worked great for my daughter. I did receive these in exchange for my honest and unbiased review. The opinion is my own and not persuaded in any way. I often purchase items from Amazon myself and rely on the reviews of others.